OnePlus has officially unveiled its 45-watt liquid-cooled magnetic wireless charging cooler at an introductory price of 549 yuan or $76. This cutting-edge device claims to reduce temperature by up to 34 degrees at idle, making it significant innovation in the cooling technology industry. This unique cooler stands out with its magnetic lightweight design, which is 73 grams, and supports 10-watt magnetic wireless charging. It integrates an innovative liquid cooling system providing 50 times higher conductive heat transfer efficiency compared to traditional air cooling. This is achieved through components like liquid cooling plate, Hall sensor, TEC cooling plate, thermal conductive silicon pads, and high performance water pump for enhanced cooling efficiency. For expanded compatibility with wide range of devices including phones, laptops, tablets, and even Nintendo Switch, OnePlus offers a separate heat conductive magnetic adhesive patch. An interesting feature is the low noise level of just 24 decibels under high power. The design is geared towards hands-free cooling without generating hot airflow, providing a seamless user experience. OnePlus has implemented triple condensation water protection in this cooler to tackle potential issues like condensation within the device due to excessive cooling or obstruction from water pipe or fan. The device instantly enters a protection state under these circumstances. This new cooler builds upon a previous model released by OnePlus in April, which lacked the magnetic charging facility and is priced at $65.